Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to enable or disable dark mode on Snapchat. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then tap on profile icon in your top left corner. Then you could see gear icon or setting icon in your top right corner. Tap on it. Then scroll down until you see app appearance. Tap on it. Then you could see 4 options over there. First one is match system. This will match Snapchat theme to your phone's theme. Second one is always light. This keeps Snapchat in light mode. Third one is always dark. This keeps Snapchat in dark mode. And fourth one is custom app theme. This feature is only available to Snapchat Plus users. We are going to enable dark mode, so I am going to tap on always dark. Your Snapchat app will ask you to restart the app in order to enable dark mode. Tap on restart now. Check the chat. Tada, you have enabled dark mode on your Snapchat app. You can use same process to disable the dark mode on Snapchat too. And that's all for today. If this video makes your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in next video.